Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to buy Ethereum on Metamask wallet. So to buy Ethereum on Metamask wallet, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to go and log in into your Metamask wallet account. When you're logged into your Metamask account, then it's gonna take you to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. So when you're logged into your Metamask account, this is how it's going to look like. So over here, you need to make sure that you've already selected your network type. So for the network, you need to go ahead and select Ethereum Main Network. So right on top, you need to go ahead and select Ethereum Main Network. After that, click on the Got It button. And when you've actually done with that, click on Buy Ethereum. And as you have done that, you need to go ahead and start with the buying procedure. So in order to buy Ethereum in Metamask, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and enter the exact amount of asset that you wish to buy, select the payment method or provide in all of the payment method, review the terms and conditions, and with that you'll have successfully bought Ethereum on Metamask. So that is how you can buy Ethereum on Metamask. That's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.